international shipping has been running on heavy fuel oil for many decades. This is causing ocean acidification, acid rain, and other negative environmental impacts. The sector has come under increasing pressure due to the fact that authorities are increasingly aware of the consequences from the emission of shipping. Company Vindskip is an industry pioneer through the introduction of this new ship design, reducing emissions, and introduces a new propulsion technology that is a key challenge in the worldwide shipping. The Vindskip concept consists of 3 parts working together in a dynamic unit. It is the ship's wind power system, the ability the ship's design has to generate the pull in the speed direction of the ship, the cruise control, a propulsion machinery that maintains constant speed on the ship even though the wind will vary over time, a weather routing system, a computer program that calculates the best route across the sea, meeting the estimated time of arrival with the lowest possible fuel consumption.
The Vindskip design is inspired by the same principle as that of a wing on an aircraft, only that it has a vertical wing-shaped hull instead of a plane's horizontal wing. Combining wind and a hybrid propulsion system based on natural gas and electricity as energy sources, the ship's hull generates a pull when heading into the wind. In this way, it is possible to geometrically calculate the apparent wind angle of attack, giving the largest contribution to the ship's propulsion.
Stat is the electric propulsion provider into the Vindskip. This technology is a game changer when it comes to electric propulsion, enabling us to power any size of ship in the world, such as the mighty Vindskip. When Stat developed the lean propulsion drive system, we focused on how we could improve reliability in electric propulsion. The lean philosophy made it possible to design the system with far less critical components, improving reliability and eliminating any disturbances.
Brunvoll is a company specializing in propulsion, maneuvering and control systems for seagoing vessels. Brucon control system ensures the optimum propeller blade angle and propeller speed to obtain the cheapest voyage, based on a minimum energy consumption. The wind contribution leads to reduced need of power from the installed energy sources on board the ship. Further, the hybrid propulsion system allows for operation by the LNG source or the electric motor, or by a combination of the 2 energy sources. This gives high energy efficiency with low emissions to sea and air, and thereby ensures a sustainable voyage for the Vindskip.
Avtor is today the #1 supplier of digital navigational information to the merchant fleet worldwide. A traditional vessel generally uses weather routing to avoid high waves and strong winds and find favorable surface current. While for Vindskip it's quite different. The routing module will seek stronger winds to allow for maximum pull, but still avoiding too strong wind and related high waves. At the same time, keeping the ETA, the estimated time of arrival, to meet the schedule requirement. This safe and optimum route is imported in a complete cybersecure way by the Furuno ECDIS system, also meeting all international standards on cybersecurity.
Furuno Norway's first contact with the Vindskip concept was back in 2014. The convincing test results presented to us based on Vindskip's proof of concept inspired us to take an active part in this project. The Furuno Voyager navigation solution for Vindskip, as for any type of ship, is focused around safe navigation. The wide range of sophisticated sensors combined with augmented reality presentations supports the navigator's decision-making. For a ship carrying valuable goods, this may be, for example, around change of course, when the weather conditions or wave patterns can impact the ship's hull in such a way that valuable goods are at risk of being damaged. Safety well taken care of, the significant task for the Furuno solution is to keep control of optimal speed and course and feed this to the propulsion system in order to secure timely arrival at each waypoint, each port, and at the final destination for the complete voyage.
By the development and implementation of this dynamic system, it will give fuel savings of estimated up to 60% compared to a reference ship running on heavy fuel oil. The evolution within the industry can be made possible through the introduction of economic benefits for ships with the lowest emission. Through its fearless investment, company Vindskip and its system suppliers are involved in the development of a completely new ship concept and thus creating a green showcase. Others will follow in their footsteps.